Okay, this is the strain we are working which produce astaxanthin, high yield of astaxanthin. Next, please. Astaxanthin, like they are present in different forms, like free forms, which is coming from the petrol product, and these conjugated with some lipid molecules are 3S form. This is esterified natural astaxanthins. So here you can see that astaxanthin is a highly antioxidant product. It is a carbon 40 catenoid products, and it come in the category of lutein and zeaxanthin. And it has a high antioxidant, even 500 times greater than this super vitamin E. But unfortunately, it is only 5% in the market. Rest is 95% market is dominated by the synthetic astaxanthin, which is produced from petrols. But this synthetic one is not used for human consumption. So if you see the right side panel, that animal also have this astaxanthin, but they don't produce. They feed on. They get eating this the green algal cells, which has this astaxanthin. There is different kind of green algae producing this product, and synthetic one also, like people convert this lutein or zeaxanthin into astaxanthin, or they use a petrol product through synthetic method. If you see that flamingo are quite red when they born, they are totally white, but when they start eating these algal cells, they start getting this astaxanthin in their body. That is important for to make their muscles strong. Okay, next page. So the importance of natural versus synthetic astaxanthin is like the synthetic one has this 3 RR form, whereas this natural one has 3 SS form. So the natural one is esterified, and whereas it is non-esterified, synthetic one is non-esterified, free forms. And so it is restricted only the synthetic one to aquaculture feed, whereas the natural has this importance in application in food, dietary supplement, cosmetic, nutraceuticals. Productions, we already discussed the natural one coming from the macroalgae, whereas the synthetic one is petrol product. So what is mean esterified astaxanthin? It means that it has a fatty acid molecule attached, while non-esterified is free. Esterified xanthan is natural, whereas non-esterified is coming either through synthetic or chemical conversion. So these have different, like in dietary, these make the strong antioxidants and have numerous health benefits. In fish, they produce pigments in fish also and make muscles strong. Like if you see salmon can swim against the stream because they have this astaxanthin, their muscles are very strong. Cosmetics, now people are awareness is increasing. They want the natural one in their cosmetics product. Food coloring also, like natural one is prefer, since synthetic one is not allowed due to have some traces of the chemicals which used for purify. Next, please. The opportunity here, we can see that there's like current market is $850 million in 2021 data is there, whereas there's a possibility 9 to 14% increment in future. The price which has been through literature has been searched is around like 10,000 to varying to 1 lakh per kg, but it has it containing average like only 10% estrogen content. Major global manufacturer are from either US or it's from China or it's in Europe or in Japan. Whereas in India, there is a EID Pari Tamil Nadu Limited, Tamil Nadu-based company is producing astaxanthin through wholesale material, not purifying these through the microalgae. They're selling a whole cell biomass, which has these all carotenoids like zeaxanthin, lutein, and this astaxanthin. They are of the same very close to each other, so difficult to isolate, but all have high good benefit on that. Maybe they're working in synergic way to give better health improvement. Next, please. So there's who could be interested in pharmaceutical, nutraceutical company can use them for antioxidant due to many health benefit. As only natural astaxanthin is approved for human consumption, so it's important to that they can come forward. These protect cells from damage, maybe light and others. These have, and we have the strain which has the higher productivity than existing technology. Supplier to cosmetic company can also take the advantage, like they can add it to provide the protection against UV cause phototoxicity. It required natural coloring, increase demand for natural colors, and which are the fish feeding manufacturer and their supply also can have their stake to use these products. Addition of products in company's portfolio also one could be added. Supplier to food companies, only natural estrogen approved for human consumption. So addition of new product in company portfolio, again the same thing, healthy ingredient can be used for if they use natural astaxanthin. Next, please. About this technology, what we do, like we have this two stage, vegetative stage and stress phase. This two phase. First phase, we just proliferate the cells, and then once we have plenty of cells, we stress them. Under stress, they just start accumulating these can start accumulating these astaxanthins. So whole cells become red. What is the features here? We have native organisms, which is called Desmorphococcus globusus. It is a screen from the Himalayan region of India. It has the highest yield so far, more than commercial one, 391 milligram per liter of astaxanthin. And this we have optimized like low cost aqua media for its cultivation. It's a non-GMO. So if we compare with the commercial strain Hematococcus pluvialis of our strain HI, we can see that biomass is producing less, but the astaxanthin percentage of on cell dry weight basis is 50%, like 51% of cell dry weight. And estrogen content is like 391 milligram compared to this hematococcus is like 7 to 174 milligram liter. Moreover, our strain divide very fast. It take only 8 to 12 hour doubling time, whereas the hematococcus take around 25 hours in doubling. So that's why it take long time to cultivate to get this estrogen. The next, please. So we have this new strain producing estrogen, and we have confirmed by TLC and HPLC the content it has. In vitro growth condition and its media has been optimized well. It has been cultivated at lab scale 2 liter to 5 liter flask level. Samples available if somebody want to test what are the content in there, and the productivity is better than the other existing strain or not is available. And we have passed in public domain this information published recently, this work. Next, please. The next step, we are looking identify an industrial partner who want to take this technology to the into the public or commercialize. We can help further like growth media, stress induction studies, and harvesting technology, which we have optimized. We can share all those things and even help further. Extraction process can be improved further, and we can do even a scale up study like 20 to 100 liter and give the whole techno-economic assessment and development with doing this work. So what we are seeking here, we're seeking like any partner who is interested to take this technology further and scale up, or want to collaborate, or want to take our strain and use as an expert or consultant. So these are the things we are seeking. Next, please. We have cutting edge
Sorry to
technology.
interrupt, Dr. Rode. It's been
Yeah.
already 10 minutes. If you can just wrap up your presentation.
So
Yeah.
this is okay. Thank you. We have expert in the genome editing, metabolic engineering, synthetic biology. We can improve the strains further if one want. We have this cutting edge technology here. All these modern technology which you have in all any lab. Next, please. And we already have in the past like collaboration with Reliance, set up their synthetic biology tool. We have provided some biofuel molecule to Chennai Petroleum Chemical Limited, and Avan infrastructure also we have in microalgae. And with Tata Steel, we doing that by synthetic biology. We have modified the strain which can capture these flue gases. This produced during manufacturing of steel. Next, please. So thank you. And Sarvari is Nayak is the contact here for if anybody want more details. Thank you.